Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Flow. This powerful platform helps you automate tasks across many different applications, connecting over 800 popular services. You can easily create custom workflows without needing to write any code at all. This saves you valuable time by eliminating repetitive manual work, allowing you to focus on more important tasks throughout your day. It's designed to make your work life much simpler. To begin creating your first automation, navigate to the My Flows section within your Zoho Flow dashboard. From there, simply click the Create Flow button to start building a brand new workflow. First, you will choose a trigger application and specify the exact event that will initiate your flow. Next, select an action application and define the specific task you want it to perform automatically. Understanding triggers and actions is key to successful automation. A trigger is essentially an event that automatically kicks off your workflow, like receiving a new email. An action, on the other hand, is the specific task performed by another application in response to that trigger. For instance, a new email in Gmail could trigger sending a message in Slack. You can even add multiple actions and decision points to one flow. Once you have built your flow, it is crucial to test it thoroughly to ensure everything functions exactly as expected. Use sample data to verify that all steps and conditions are met correctly. After successful testing, activate your flow to enable its continuous, automatic operation. Remember to monitor your flow history regularly for successful executions and to quickly identify and address any potential errors that might occur. This ensures smooth automation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.